Okay, YouTube, over here on Weeks, Trading View. Let's get out of here. Yesterday I uploaded this video, updating to my previous videos. I know this is weird, it's like a Pink Floyd album cover. So, let's see, where's the hell's Dogecoin at? Yeah. What the hell happened? Oh yeah, that's right. Gotta go to the one-day chart. So, there's this trend line, right? Now we broke out of this trend line, so this trend line is completely invalidated. I opened a long here, and already took my profit. Quick 5x over on Weeks. So I'm not going to be talking about Dogecoin for a little while until I'm opening positions around 25 cents, maybe lower, because I feel that on Bitcoin. This is the one-day chart. If we go to Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin CME futures. You've probably heard the term CME gap in other videos. There's a CME gap right here at 110. And 95% of the time CME gaps fill. So if this pump that we've been experiencing for the past few days, this could just be a liquidation pump to liquidate all the shorts. We thought maybe we're gonna go sub 100K. So if we go to the one-day chart, thought the 200 EMA is pretty powerful. People think we could have dipped to the 200 EMA, which is about 100K. But my theory is, okay, there's a CME gap. Now there's a 95% chance that the CME gap will fill. There's a 5% chance that it won't fill. So I decided to put in a short, 10x short on Bitcoin. And we're currently in profit. It's only a $5,000 position, nothing big, nothing crazy. Until then, until there's a correction, I feel pretty safe shorting Bitcoin here. And I feel that obviously when Bitcoin dumps, alts are going to dump along with it. And if alts dump along with it, like they normally do, they should, that means Doge should dump too. And I said I had opened orders at 25 cents. I haven't opened them yet. When I close my Bitcoin short, hopefully in profit, then I'll open my orders in Doge, hopefully at 25 cents or lower, maybe 24. So this is the 1 hour chart. So if we dip on the 1 hour chart, we could go sub 25 cents to 24 and a half. Right here, there's a lot of touches on the chart right here at 25 and a half cents. So there's 25 and a quarter. There's 25 cents, getting closer. And right about this zone. Right there. That's what I want this to dip to, right there in this zone. So let's try, yep, there. Oh. Let's go to a fib. We haven't really seen much action right here, so let's draw a fib. Fib 618. Let's see. Let's turn these off real quick. Hold on a second, guys. Sorry. Is this the same color? No. Is this the same color? Fuck. Go gray. Yeah, there we go. That's what we want. And let's turn you, yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, so I want this to retrace hopefully to this fib zone, which is roughly 24 to 25 cent range. Hopefully we can dip into this 24, 25 cent range. If Bitcoin decides to dip, I have my take profit right here. If we pump tomorrow, I'll set up a stop loss and all that. My liquidation price is 134K, so the previous all-time high is, I think, 124K. Yeah, 124.5K. This is a quick update on what I'm doing, guys. I'm going to hold off on Dogecoin for a little while. And I think it's time to take some profits and go short. That's what my plan is for right now. This CME gap right here, this is just, a lot of people are talking about this lately. And let's see what public sentiment is. Let's go public sentiment. Public sentiment typically is biased, so keep in mind it is a public survey. See, I'm not surprised. Everyone, like every public sentiment is always, it's majority of the time it's always bullish. People are degenerates, you know. Watch, bullish. Yep. The hell? There's no public sentiment on this. There's data. Okay. That's weird. All right, let's check public sentiment on Coinbase then. What's public sentiment showing over here? Buyers are down, sellers are up. Trading is down. All right, if that's the case, let's check on volume then. Where's I need to add a indicator. Where's volume? I just want volume. There we go. That's a good sign. There, volume. Let's go. Yeah. Here's Binance. So we've pumped off decent volume. That's off the 4-hour. See, this is us pumping from 109, 110K off the bottom of the Bollinger Band. Pumping off the bottom of the Bollinger Band. RSI was looking kind of oversold. Not exactly oversold, but nearing it. And we're approaching overbought territory. Not exactly. Maybe there could be a cool down, you know, hopefully. My take profit's just 120K, just a quick scalp, you know. But if we were to dip on the 1 day to the Bollinger Band, that's 115K. If we were to dip on the Bollinger Band on the 4-hour, that's 119K. So I'm slightly over the Bollinger Band on the 4-hour on my take profit, my Bitcoin short. This public sentiment, let's see, volume, it's in high. Yeah, let's check out Dogecoin. Public sentiment, trader insight on Dogecoin. This is on Coinbase. Traders are down, sellers are down, and buyers are down. Yeah, that's it, YouTube. Just a quick update on what I'm doing. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you for watching.